Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this trigonometric equation. So we have tan x is equal to 2 times cos x. Now tan, this is equal to sine over cosine, right? So meaning tan x, this would equal sine x over cosine x. Now this is equal to 2 cosine x. Now I want to get rid of this cosine x as our denominator, so I'm going to move it to our right-hand side by multiplying both sides by cosine x. So for our left-hand side, these two cancel out, so all I'm left with is sine x. And for our right-hand side, we have 2 times cosine squared x. Now, cosine squared, this is equal to 1 minus sine squared, meaning you could write this as sine x is equal to 2 times 1 minus sine x, sine squared x, sorry. Now if I distribute the 2, I get 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2 times sine squared x is 2 sine squared x. This is equal to sine x Now I'm going to let sine x equal the variable x. Sorry, let's do y instead. So now if I substitute that in, we get 2 times y squared plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And this means that if we plug this into our quadratic formula, we get y is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 4. And y is simply sine x, as we already know, so this means that sine x is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 4. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 887 to the power of 3 plus 888 squared minus 887 divided by 887 squared plus 1. Now I'm going to first rewrite this as 887 to the power of 3 plus 887 plus 1 squared minus 887. And we are dividing this by 7 squared plus 1. Now I'm going to set the variable m equal to 887. So now if I replace in m for 887, I get m to the power of 3 plus m squared minus not m squared, m plus 1 squared minus m divided by m squared plus 1. And this is equal to m to the power of 3 plus m plus 1 squared is m squared plus 2m plus 1. And then we have our minus m at the end. And I am dividing this with m squared plus 1. Now, if we have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So now, as you can see, we have m to the power 3 plus m squared plus 2m plus 1 minus m. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, from these two terms, from our first two terms here, I'm actually going to factor out m. So now we have I'm going to factor out m squared. So now we have m squared times m plus 1. And 2m minus m, these two are like terms. 2m minus m is simply m. So now we have plus m plus 1. And these two are the same, so I'll just put this in parentheses over m squared plus 1. And now this would be, if we added these two, this would equal m plus 1 times m squared plus 1. All I did was factored out m plus 1. This is divided by m squared plus 1. And as you can see, these two are the same, so we could simply cancel these out. And we are simply left with m plus 1. This is equal to, remember, m is equal to 887. So this would be 887 plus 1, which is equal to 888. So this is our answer.